All right, let's have a look at this Duryea. Duryea is considered the first successful gasoline car maker in the United States. So although things were happening in Europe a little sooner and so on, there were steam engines. Let's call this kind of the first modern style US car company. Now this particular Duryea is probably the first one that really made sense. There were earlier ones that were three-wheeled and had a tiller. You may have seen pictures of that. But here in 1901, they went to four wheels, still had kind of a tiller style steering, but they had a three-cylinder engine, and the three cylinders combined to make plenty of power to get it down the road, probably about 10 horsepower. It even had a two-speed transmission. This is a Phaeton model. This particular car is one of very few left in the world, and it's chassis number 262. It is currently owned by none other than Barry Meguiar, who, of course, Barry Meguiar is very well known for his Meguiar car care products. He's a big fan. This is his car, and he brought it to the Arizona Concours. This car seems to have what I believe is a brass radiator. It has beautiful brass lanterns for lights. I believe the beam style, the focused beam lights that we're a little more familiar with probably didn't come around until 1909. So this is still a very early vehicle. As a Phaeton, you'll see it has a foldable top, and there is a seat in the back for two more people. It's unbelievable to see this thing running, and you'll see Barry's having a conversation with one of the organizers, Ed Victor, there at the end of the concours, just sharing a little bit of joy from how well the show went. It's believed this car could reach 25 miles per hour, and it sure seems to be very easy for Barry to drive around on the showgrounds, that's for sure.